AI is such a common word these days that is becoming more well-known and has only recently begun to move into the crypto world. We know that AI is much smarter than a normal person. In this video, we'll talk more about how we think AI will affect the price of Shiba Inu coin. Make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because the AI price prediction and description of that price might blow your mind. Be aware of this before we start looking at AI prices. I need to explain something very important first. There are rumors going around the internet that Shiba Inu might be added to Atomic Wallet. The good news is that Shiba Inu has been added to Atomic Wallet, as revealed by Shiba Inu, a marketing expert. By making this change, Shiba Inu could be shown to Atomic Wallet's 5 million users, which would greatly increase its acceptance and use. Southeast Asian expert in selling Shiba Inu's Lucy recently shared good news about the possibility of adding Shiba Inu, the cryptocurrency's Layer 2 blockchain, to Atomic Wallet, a well-known, decentralized, non-custodial crypto wallet. Lucy posted a picture of the Atomic Wallet's display on social media to back up what she said. We are still waiting for Atomic Wallet to officially confirm, but the wallet had already said it would support Shiba Inu as of January 26th. This integration has a lot of promise for Shiba Inu's future. Atomic Wallet has a large global user base of 5 million, and more than 500,000 of those people interact with the platform every month. Since its launch in 2017, the wallet has built a strong image as a safe place to store many cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Shib, and now the Shiba Inu governance token Bone Shiba Swap. Atomic Wallet's backing isn't the only good thing that's happened for Shiba Inu. Well-known crypto projects like Grove have also said they support this Layer 2 blockchain. Grove, an Australian cryptocurrency exchange, just recently added Shiba Inu to its Grove Keeper wallet. This makes the growing interest in Shiba Inu in the cryptocurrency world even stronger. If Atomic Wallet keeps its promise to support Shiba Inu, it could add more than 5 million users, which would make Shiba Inu much more widely used. This integration would give Shiba Inu fans an easy-to-use and safe way to deal with the cryptocurrency, which could make it more popular and useful. But what about guessing the price of Shib? Unfortunately, it's at its worst point in the last 2 years at the time this movie was made. Shib first hit this level in July 2021, and now the dog-themed token has gone back to the same spot on the charts. The year 2023 has been hard for Shib, as the token has been gradually going down for 6 months in a row. Even when the Shiba Inu Layer 2 network went live in August of this year, prices didn't go up by a lot, because Shib didn't do very well in 2023. We need to know if we can expect a change in its luck in 2024. What should you expect the price of Shib to be in January 2024? Coin Codex, a well-known company that predicts prices and measures chains, has given its opinion on the price of Shiba Inu in early January 2024. Coin Codex uses artificial intelligence, AI, to guess how the market will move by using machine learning and algorithmic analysis to make price predictions. It looks at many things, like the moving average relative strength index, the moving average, convergence divergence, Bollinger Bands, and more. The AI now knows what the price of Shib will be on January 1, 2024, based on their research. This estimate says that the value will rise by about 11% from where it is now, which isn't too bad when you look at how the market is acting right now. That being said, I have some good news that could make Shib much more valuable soon. If you're interested in crypto, you probably know what USC stands for. The market value of Tether USC makes it the biggest stablecoin. Traders in cryptocurrencies use stablecoins like Tether to move their capital into or out of fiat currencies or to send money between different cryptocurrencies. The USD is linked to the US dollar and has the same value. The big news came from Tether Limited Inc., the company that makes USC, in May of this year. Tether will put millions of dollars into Bitcoin to try to spread the risk. Reserves for WestJet, the company behind the third largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, Tether, wants to spend 15% of its net investment profit, or $222 million from its earnings in the first quarter, into Bitcoin. The goal of this strategic move is to increase the number of assets that back its USD stablecoin. But what does it have to do with Shiba Inu? You could ask. Okay, watch this video some more. I'll explain soon. There were claims that Tether lied about the reserves that supported its stablecoin, which is meant to stay pegged to the US dollar 1, and the company was fined by US officials in 2021. The company recently said that it had a total of $81.1 billion in assets. Most of those assets were treasury bills. and about 85% of them were highly flexible assets like cash and cash equivalents. About 4% of Tether's total reserves were made up of gold, and about 2% were made up of Bitcoin. Tether has made it clear that it doesn't think its Bitcoin holdings will be higher than its share capital cushion. This cushion is there to protect Tether from customer liabilities that come from issuing tokens. The Commodities Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, fined the company $41 million, and the New York Attorney General also fined it 2 years ago. Both of these fines were connected to how the company managed its reserves. Some people say that Tether has a long way to go before its funds are seen as open and trustworthy. Recently, former SEC lawyer James Restak started a Twitter conversation by saying that Tether's business, or what it does, is completely dependent on its cash balances. Last week, James Restak, a former lawyer for the SEC, tweeted, "However, those reserves have not been audited or proven, so they are still uncertain." The words made by Stark led to a Twitter conversation with Paolo Ardoino, CTO of Tether. Tether is investing in Bitcoin to take advantage of the digital currency's growth potential. This is a plan that other companies use as well. Software company MicroStrategy has been investing in Bitcoin as well since the end of the first quarter. The number of Bitcoins MicroStrategy owned had grown to 140,000, which were worth about $4.2 billion. Bitcoin's value may rise until the end of the year thanks to Tether's new strategy. Standard Chartered Bank analysts think that the price of the cryptocurrency could hit $100,000 by the end of 2024. Analyst Jeff Kendrick says that this positive outlook is due to Bitcoin's better reputation as a trustless asset since SVB and mid-tier lenders went out of business, as well as the good financial results of crypto miners and the end of the Federal Reserve's tightening cycle. We know what's wrong with Tether now, but the question is still the same. What does it have to do with Shiba Inu? Even though Tether's most recent purchase is aimed at Bitcoin, it does make it more likely that the company will expand into other cryptocurrencies. There are a lot of different digital assets on the market, including well-known tokens like Shiba Inu. This is because Tether wants to make the asset that supports its stablecoin stronger. Adding alternative coins like Shiba could become an appealing idea. In the past few years, altcoins like Shiba Inu have gotten a lot of attention because they can have both high volatility and big profits. Since Tether is a liquidity source and a main trading pair for many cryptocurrencies, including Shib, investing in old coins might make sense as a way for the company to increase its reserves. What do you think about that? When do you think they'll start putting money into other altcoins? Please let me know in the comments. I'd be interested to read what you think about that. This video has now come to an end. Thanks for seeing it. Please click the like button if you liked the information and thought it was helpful. Say what you think or ask a question in the comments. Last but not least, don't forget to join